Welcome to our BoldDesk chat workflow tutorial. In this video, I will walk you through how to collect different types of customer information automatically. BoldDesk chat workflows offer 4 data collection categories: Get Customer Details, Button, Dropdown, and Input. First, I will show you how to collect customer data using the Get Customer Details block. To get started, log in to the BoldDesk agent portal as an administrator and go to the Admin module. Then, go to the Chat module and select Workflows under the Automation section. Choose Conversation Created and click Add Workflow to create a new workflow. For detailed instructions on how to create and configure a workflow, refer to the video linked in the card above and in the description below. To prevent customers and agents from typing in the chat, add a Manage Inputs block to the Workflow Designer page and turn off these options. Then click Add to insert this block into the workflow. To gather the customer's email information in the live chat, click the Add icon, expand the User Input category, and select Get Customer Details. This opens a configuration panel on the right, where the customer's email is set by default through a display message. You also have the option to enable the phone number and name fields to capture additional details. Finally, select Add to insert this block into your workflow. To collect user data using button input blocks, you can select between 2 options: Get Choice via Buttons, which displays multiple buttons to choose from, and Get Choice via Yes or No, which contains a basic yes or no question. Based on the options users choose, you can configure the actions performed. To get customer input about the conversation priority, add a Get Choices via Buttons block by selecting the plus icon. The configuration panel opens from the right. Here, enter a display message and choose the priority option in the API field name dropdown. Then select Add option to enter labels that will act as the choices and set the values. You can also select Load options from API to use the predefined values or edit them if needed. If you choose the Use API option, it will directly use the values without configuring them, or you can configure the options by clicking the Edit icon. Then press the tick icon to confirm and select Add to save the field mapping. Similarly, if you add the Get Choice via Yes or No block, you can add a display message and choose an API field name in the configuration panel. Select Use Temporary Fields and enter a field name to store the value from this block, and then select Add. Next, let us look at how to collect data using a dropdown. The dropdown category has 2 blocks available: Get Choice via Dropdown, which collects data based on a single selection, and Get Choices via Multi-Select, which allows multiple selections. Add another user input block by selecting Get Choice via Dropdown from the dropdown category. Enter all the necessary details for this block, choose the category option for the API field name, and load the options from the API. You can also use a dropdown by adding a Get Choice via Multi-Select and specifying the mapped options for the fields. Additionally, you can provide the maximum and minimum number of selections. If no numbers are specified, users can select options based on their needs. Next, let us look at how to use input fields to collect various types of information from customers. There are several types of input fields: Get Date Value, Get Date and Time Value, Get Numeric Value, Get Decimal Value, Get Value Matching the Pattern, Get Short Text, and Get Detailed Text Input. For this example, I will show you how to collect the user's vehicle plate number using the Get Value Matching the Pattern block. Start by opening the context menu, expanding the user inputs, and then the input section. Select Get Value Matching the Pattern to open the configuration panel. Enter the display message and placeholder. Since I am asking for a vehicle number. To know more about the types of input fields in chat workflows, check out the documentation page linked in the description. After activating these changes, a workflow triggers automatically when a client starts a chat on your support portal. The client will be guided through a series of prompts to provide key information. Once submitted, all the collected data is structured and attached to the chat conversation, helping agents respond more efficiently and prioritize requests effectively. If you found this video useful, consider liking it and subscribing to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.